How to fix Files app not working in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Files app not working on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings on your device. Select Apps. Tap App Management at top of the screen. Wait patiently until every apps get loaded. Tap search bar at top of the screen. Type in My Files. Open it to access App Info page of My Files. Select Storage Users. Now tap Clear Cache. Come back. You have to exit from the settings section once you do that. The second step you need to follow is simply check whether your software is updated on your device or not. For that, head into settings again, then tap the search bar at top. Type in updates and wait patiently until you see the option of software update. Tap software update, and if you see any updates, you have to download and install the latest version of your software. Once you are done with that, restart your device. Hold on the power button on your device and then swipe towards restart. So a simple restart can fix this kind of glitches on your device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.